All right, sir. What's your name?
Kevin Peters.
And how did you hear about Vivix Credit Solutions?
Basically just surfed the web, and you guys are right down the street from my home, and just came down.
Okay. And what was your scores when you walked in?
Oh man, I'm glad I walked in your doors because I was sitting on a 588, I believe, and came here today for my closeout interview, and I'm like 17 points away from 700, so I feel great about this place.
That's
You gotta come here as
awesome.
long as you do what they ask you to do and stay focused, maintain the track, you'll be all right. So I'm leaving here with my chest poked way out.
Would you recommend Vivix Credit Solutions to anyone out there?
Everybody out there, I recommend it. I actually talked to Gabriel, my initial meeting. Nice guy. Gave me his testimony of how he came to be where he's at. And it was a good inspirational talk for me. So I
Perfect.
recommend this place big time.